Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. I'm going to use both my straighteners. That is usually what I do. I have a mini Paul Mitchell straightener and then I have my regular Paul Mitchell straightener. So I'm going to rotate between those and I'll kind of explain in between, but otherwise we're going to skip through fast so you can really see how quick and easy this is. I like to just use any kind of clip from Walmart or wherever, clip up most of my hair, and then I start with that bottom layer. Another thing, I did just wash and blow dry my hair, so it is fresh hair. Mine actually curls pretty well even when it's just been washed. So I always rotate with my brush too. I brush my hair probably too much. I use my brush almost every time I'm curling here. So I'll start with my larger straightener. So lately I've been doing it like this, where you take it but you don't finish through. So you kind of leave the bottom of the hair straight and then you move on to the next one here and do the same thing. So you just don't put the end in there. You leave that bottom part out and it leaves a really cool, I don't know, just a cool look. So that is with my larger straightener. Do that to the rest of the hair at the bottom here. So another thing, I like to leave the bottom ones pretty loose. Another thing is I have not put any product in my hair. I generally don't put anything in it until the end. I might add like some dry shampoo or some powder, some teasing powder. And then I usually use just whatever hairspray I can find. I am not too picky on products, guys. You'll find that out about me. So with this style, I do like to leave it kind of just loose and messy. Doesn't have to be too tight of a curl. Again, just leave that end piece out. This is just so easy, I think. I have not used an actual curling iron in years. I love using my straighteners. And I will bring in that mini straightener too, but I like to do that on the top layer. I'll show you that whenever I get to that top layer. And I won't be too picky about the back since we can't see it right now. Oh, and I did about a middle part. This is my dominant side, so this is about as close as I get to a middle part. If you guys have any favorite products or favorite tools or anything that you like to use, I'd love for you to drop that in the comments. We are always looking for you know, just new stuff to use and new stuff that we can maybe sell to our customers, stuff that you have personally used and that you have found that you love. I'm gonna do this one just like a fun, loose, curly style. And then I'm actually gonna do another video and I'm gonna show you how I like to do my little fun buns. And then I'll probably put my brand new Glamour Farms hat on with it. It's a really cute blue hat. So I'm getting close to that top layer there, and I feel like I have a decent amount of volume already, so I'm not going to put that teasing powder in there, but if you do want to use the teasing powder, I believe it's Big Sexy Hair is the brand that I use. It's just a red and black little bottle. Okay, so I want to show you, I stumbled upon this by mistake. My mom was using it for her bangs. She has really short hair. And one day I was at their house and I had forgotten mine, so I asked her if I could take it home because she didn't use it anymore, and so she let me, and it gives me the most fun little bouncy curls. So I'm going to kind of show you some examples of that. If you want to do it with only the mini straightener, that's fine too. I do that sometimes when I want a really big, just like fun bouncy curl. Again, just don't go all the way to the bottom. And another option is use both of them. Go back and forth. So I did a smaller curl there, so I could now do a larger curl here. I just love the volume and the kind of different look that it gives. Go back to the little one. Also, if you don't like to travel with a lot of stuff, the small straightener obviously is going to save a lot of space in your travel bag. So that's another good option for the small one. Come up close so you can kind of see. And notice I am not pulling these curls apart yet. I am leaving them as is until I get completely done, and then I will do all of my poofing and hairspray and all that fun stuff. And I'm not gonna go all the way to the end. Leave those in pieces out there. So that side's pretty much done. I know it doesn't look like much now, but wait until I start fluffing it. Okay, there, I pretty much have it all curled, but they're not pulled apart. That is the big thing. You have to pull them apart and then they're gonna get bouncy and cute. And this is when I would grab my hairspray, which right now I just am using from Walmart, the Original Freeze hairspray. It works really well, I think. You can already see it's starting to kind of volume up, and like I said, you can use dry shampoo if you want to add some of that in. I could show you. This is the dry shampoo I've been using lately, Plump for Joy. This one is also from Walmart. So I actually, a lot of times will use this before I get started if I feel like I need to, or sometimes at the end. I just, mainly right here, I will kind of add that in, and then I just kind of fluff it up a little, and again, helps with the volume. So, feel like that's pretty well good. I really like the way the curls came out. I don't really pull them apart too much. You can see these ones are kind of still stuck together. I actually prefer a little bit more of a tight curl myself. And then I just kind of lean my head over and add in that hairspray. And there you go. So, I feel like that is just a fun little easy curl that you could do pretty much every day. I love this one for photo shoots, and I can do more for you guys if you prefer different styles. I could do more just like a tight curl all the way down if you don't like the straight pieces at the end. I can do it all with this one and do like really curly, and then I love to put it into little updos after I do the really tight curls, so that's an option too. But stick around and make sure you check out my other video. I'm gonna take this hairstyle, put it in fun buns, and add a cute hat. So goodbye for now. Thank you for watching, and please drop some comments below. See ya.